I was really pleasantly surprised by this dash cam. This essentially turned my Mitsubishi Outlander into a Sentry mode Tesla. Now, if you're not familiar, Teslas have a lot of cameras on them, and they can notify you the moment that there's some activity near the Tesla. And that's exactly what this does. It will let you know on your phone in a notification exactly what's happening, who's near your vehicle, if someone's breaking in, and it has two cameras. They're 1080p for the front and the back. There's a privacy monitor here. If you need to turn off the audio, you can push this PM button for private mode, and then it automatically turns it off. And then you can also slide this for extra protection to ensure that camera is covered. Now there's another button here for AP. This will record a manual emergency event. This will automatically record emergency events if it senses vibration, like you get in a car accident, it's automatically going to save that video for you. But if you see something, like you're a witness or you just want to record a small clip, you can just push this AP button and then it'll go ahead and save it to the cloud and also to the attached SD card. Now, another thing I really love about this is that it's got a SIM card. So it has GPS tracking, it has coordinates exactly where the events are happening, it has remote access from anywhere in the world, and it's also got cloud storage. So you get 300 megabytes right off the bat when you purchase this device, but you do need to pay for the LTE service and the cloud service. They're two separate charges if you want one or the other once your free plan is over. But I am loving it so far. This thing has all the bells and whistles that I did not expect. It's very simple. It only has these two cameras. They're 1080p, but they're very high quality. The night vision is full color. This thing was also really easy to install. It comes with an OBD cable, which most modern vehicles have right now, and you just connect it right underneath. It's very simple. The only thing I will say though is that while the app does offer a view of both front and rear very easily with your cloud storage, and you can see everything there on the app, when you don't have the service and you need to download the footage from the SD card, in order to view that footage, you need to download a special video player called VLC, because the file is a merged file for both rear and front footage, and so you need to be able to separate it with the VLC player. But that's the only thing that negative I have to say about this. Otherwise, it is really great. It offers two-way communication. You can talk right into your app. If there's someone breaking in and you notice on your phone, you can just say, "Hey, I'm calling police," and then they'll probably get scared off and run away. But anyways, I love this thing. I highly recommend it, and thank you for the brand for sending this to me to sample and review. Have a great one. Hope you found this helpful.